I tried to find the perfect travel bag. What if it only cost $40? Extendable duffel bag, 30 to 40 liters. All right, let's see what it is. So it comes with this little bag here. You can just like open it, it's right there. Look at this green color. I just love the color. So I know it comes in different kind of colors, but I love this one. The green one is just like perfect. So it's a duffel bag, so it means you can just like see the shape of it. It's not really like a backpack, even though you can like hold it with your hand like this if you want to, or you can wear it as a backpack like that, you know. So it's just perfect for that. Anyways, I'm gonna pack some things in this bag so that you can see like the space and the room we have in the bag and how it's made, because we have a lot of things to see together. Okay, let's focus on this bag. First thing, you only have one big pocket, which is right here. You have a big zip like that, you just unzip it and you can open the bag. In the interior, you have nothing actually. You don't have any small pockets or anything. You just have like this one big bag, this one big room. You don't have any other small pockets. And I gotta say, that might be a problem for some people, and it was for me, because you know, you always have like small stuff you want to put in, like for example, my camera stuff and all those things. So yeah, that might be a problem. You don't have as much pockets as you can have in a hiking backpack, for example. So yeah, there is absolutely no small pocket in here. You only have one small pocket on the bag. If you just flip it, you have one pocket right here. That is actually pretty small, as you can see. This might be like the main problem of that bag. But I do have like one of the best solutions you could find. You just need to buy these. These are added pockets. You can put like your clothes in it, fill them with whatever you want to. Once they're filled, you can just close them. Pretty easy, you just have to zip them. You open the bag and you put your stuff in, so that you will have like different kind of compartments in the bag. And that could be easier for you to get organized. But the thing is the bag big enough for like a week-long trip? Well, this might actually depend on you. Like, do you travel light or do you need to bring a lot of clothes? If you do like the bag, even if it seems like too small for you, 30 to 40 liters, you could have and you could buy bigger ones. So that could be a solution for you. So I have two pillows right here. We're gonna use them and trying to fill the bag with them. So you can easily put one pillow in it. Then the second one is also, yeah, it will fit in it. It will definitely fit in it. Here you are. Here, this is the 40 liter version. I mean, I can put it in 30 liter. If I just like tight these things right here, you know, you can just tight them, and that will make it a 30 liters bag. One thing I love about this bag is that when you put it like in this 30 liters version, you can definitely bring it anywhere, even like in the plane as a cabin bag, it definitely fit in. So yeah, that's a great bag for that. When it seems good to you, you can just like zip it and close the bag. So you have two different ways to do it. And here you are. You can handle it that way, for example, if you just want to be like, you know, handling it with your hand, or you can just use those two handles right here and put it on your back easily. That could be a good idea too. So that's how it is. It's protected right here so that you can put it on the floor easily, and then you also have things to tie it right there, like that, for example. You just have like your perfect duffel bag for all your trips and weekend trips. It's just, yeah, it's just a perfect fit for me. It just works really well. I don't necessarily have any trouble or any problem with it. So yeah, it's definitely my favorite bag. The brand is Forclaz. You can find them online on Decathlon, for example. They have many different kind of colors. This one is green. My girlfriend has the pink one, for example. And they're just like perfect for small trips, weekend, and yeah, the only cons is that you don't necessarily have any pockets in here. Well, we can do without them.